Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video for WP Video Ace. Now, I'm going to be reviewing the software today, and down below you'll find a number of bonuses you can get access to, as well as some more information about the software. Now, this is a really basic WordPress plugin. What it does is, probably the best thing I can do is show you what it does. It basically gives you the ability to create a whole lot of engaging video effects. Say this example, video for example. This is from their sales page. It basically is a video that pops out, and you'll see here if I go over the screen I can't actually scroll anywhere, and it'll work with any type of video. It doesn't need to be a YouTube video, it can be another type of video such as a WordPress video or another video from a URL that you've added in. Now if we switch back, you'll see here that we've switched back, and another effect this will also give you the ability to create is that when someone scrolls, you'll see the video goes to the bottom right hand corner. So these are some of the effects that you can do with this software. So if we look at the software right here, what we're going to see is basically as we go in here, we can first of all create a Video Ace campaign. Then we'll get a short code which we can add to any page of ours that we want to, and we can also add these effects as we want to as well. So in this case, I might create a video based around Video Ace. So I'm going to use a YouTube link today, and I'm going to call this my WP Video Ace video. I choose YouTube video, I add my URL, and I can preview it if I wanted to. I can then state the width. Now usually the width that we'd use is about 800, and then we can choose the width unit, which is usually pixels, and the aspect ratio, which is 16:9. We can also choose the video quality. We can choose whether it autoplays or not, choose to show controls, enable loop. We can choose to show information or not. We can also enable full screen mode or no. We can show annotations, no or yes, and we can go through and edit this entire platform right here. So as we go down, we can show the YouTube logo. We can go down and we can choose to do a full screen video and resize the video or add locked video content. So let's choose what we want to do. So in this case, this video feature here is the main part of this software. So we can do a full screen video with this option. We can resize the video with contents as we scroll down the page with this option. And we can use locked content in a shortcode if we want to as well. So we can actually lock in content at a specific time to be released. So let's do a full screen mode video like the one we saw in the example above, which starts after, we'll say, 5 seconds, and it ends then after 20 seconds to really gauge people's attention, engage people's attention. We're going to have the volume as the same, 10, and show thumbnail on scroll. Yes, we'll have a thumbnail that will show on scroll. We can choose that the video frame will be 4 or 8. Now I believe this is the different types of templates that you can use for the video frame. So in this example, for example, we've got a frame around the video, so you'll see this here. That's a frame. This is what the frame is right here. So we'll put in 4, for example. I believe that's the frame that's used in that video above. We'll have it showing on the bottom right when we scroll down a page, so we've got that as our effect. And we can also have other effects, as you can see here, resize the video with the contents, if we wanted to have a resized video inside of contents at any particular time happening, but you can only choose one effect to happen at one particular for one particular video. Enable different options for mobile devices. We can say yes or we can say no. So on a mobile device you can have different options. In this case I'm not going to have it, I'll have it the exact same. And we can, if we chose locked content as our example up here, we could choose which locked content would show at that particular time. So that basically means that content will show up below the video at a particular time, and then that from there will be done. Now when you're ready, click publish, and it will then publish this video player that you've created. We then get a shortcode right here, and we just need to basically copy this shortcode right here, and what it's going to do is it's going to allow us then to have that video showing up. So you can see here, this is our video, this is a preview to the video that we have. It shows up here, we can actually play the video to see the video, that it's the correct video, and then we can add this shortcode to a page that we want to use as a example. You can also see all of your other video players added here as well. These are the different video players that are added. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to add this to one of our new pages. We'll add this shortcode in, shortcode example, and we just need to add this shortcode into our regular visual content here. Click publish. Click on our link, and as you can see here, the video shows up, and in just a moment we're going to see the full screen video pop up over our video. There we go. As we've shown, as we've gone through and edited it, it has done that, and very soon it'll go back into position after the time that I'd specified, which I believe was about 10 seconds, and then we'll also be able to test out the scrolling effect, which is available within this software as well. Now the page itself is too small to do that, but if we had more content on this page and we scrolled, the video would unplug off here and scroll down the page with you. So why would you use this software? The main reason that you would use a software like this is to gather people's attention, or grab people's attention. So when someone goes to your website, they're going to be looking around, they're going to be distracted. If you've got certain points in your video you really want to emphasize, or for example, if you want to scroll your video down the page, so you've got, you want them to be watching your video, you want them to be able to watch your video and what's happening on your video while they scroll, this is where the software will come in handy. So where it'll be useful, it potentially will help you increase conversions. It'll increase the amount of people that are viewing your videos. That's the intention of the software. What you might see is that people may become slightly confused when you pop out the video. So you want to make sure that if you pop out the video, you're notifying people as to why you're doing it, or alternatively, you're only doing it to emphasize a certain particular point in your video. Something to be aware of when using this software. Do I think this is a good software to potentially use in your business? Yes, this can be useful in a sales presentation. I wouldn't necessarily use it on a regular blog. I wouldn't necessarily use this, without the intention of selling something. Or getting someone to opt in. That's where I would mainly use it. A sales page, an opt-in page, when you must grab someone's attention. And for such a low cost with all the bonuses that are available, this is a really cool package to get access to. Do you absolutely need this in your business? No, you don't. But if you think this would be nice to use in your business, or you have businesses you could use this with, or some uses for this might be a useful software for you. Cool, I hope this has been informative. You can use this on all WordPress websites. It will not work on HTML websites unless it's WordPress. Okay, it'll only work on WordPress based websites, so be aware of that. Cool, I hope this has been educational. You now understand what this software does, and if you want to get access, you can go down below to find out more information. This is Sam Becker. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.